front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, tap on Settings and scroll to tap on Privacy. Then select XClone. And to clone any app, use gray switcher next to it. You could tap on one of those next to recommended apps, or hit Try More Apps and tap on the switcher next to all of those. As you can see, I have only one, so I have to click on this one, just to show you. Wait, and go back to check out that my TikTok was successfully cloned. Now, in case you want to delete any clone, you can go back to the same section in your settings and tap on Now Green Switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!